What is integrity? Integrity is the quality of having strong ethical principles that are followed at all times. Honesty and trust are central to integrity, as is consistency. Integrity is not only limited to what we have done, but more to who we are. Who we are can be continuously improved, either by setting values, codes of ethics, and norms that are appropriate for us, especially ASN with integrity, because who we are will determine what we do and what steps we take. Then, skills and factors that can influence the character of ASN to act and have a spirit of integrity. People who become ASN need to maintain integrity. Integrity is knowing what is right and what is wrong. That is, having integrity is principled and not easily influenced by the environment. Integrity is important to be action-oriented. It is an important task for an ASN. If there is a problem, to act swiftly. The key is no longer just, so what? But, now what? So we understand to take action. Actions that reflect integrity are characterized by a reflective attitude and have skills that can be a problem solvers, not a problem makers. A higher level of integrity is not just doing for yourself, but being good at pleasing yourself. ASN who maintain integrity must have collaborative abilities and interpretation as the ability of people to build relationships to fill each other's roles in groups. So these are qualities that must be improved as ASN who maintain integrity. Thank you.
Professionalism is the commitment of members of a profession to continuously improve their ability. According to Komara, professionalism is the ability of ASN to have skill in carrying out work according to their respective field and level. Meanwhile, according to Sondang, professionalism requires knowledge and skill in carrying out service to customers, with the knowledge and skill possessed by the apparatus. It will achieve reliability in carrying out tasks so that they are carried out with high quality, at the right time, carefully, and with procedure they are easily understood and followed by customers. The concept of professionalism within the apparatus is seen in terms of creativity, innovation, and responsivity. The government has long had policies that lead to this, as regulated in Government Regulation Number 101 of 2000, Article 2. It is stated that the objective of education and training are as follows. 1. Increase knowledge, expert skill, and attitude to be able to carry out duties and position professionally based on the personality and ethics of civil servants in accordance with agency needs. 2. Creating an apparatus capable of acting as a reformer and glue of nationality, unity, and integrity. 3. Strengthen the attitude and spirit of service-oriented service, protection, and community empowerment. And 4. Creating a common vision and dynamic of mindset in carrying out general government and development tasks for the realization of good governance.
Hello, I'm Annie Leviana. Let me show you what is ASN's entrepreneurial role in the millennial era. What is entrepreneurship? This is key differences. Know the difference. There are entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship and enterprise. Entrepreneurship is the process of activities of creativity and innovation, creating change by leveraging opportunities and resources to generate more. Entrepreneurs often experience many problems and crises in the business they build. The success achieved is due to creativity and innovation in formulating product development strategies and ideas to solve business problems. Then, what is the relation between entrepreneurship and ASN? ASN is expected to stop thinking just to be an administrator, but also must be a productive and millennial ASN, and be able to think powerfully with ideas and innovations. Countries are required to work and contribute clear and measurable performance to their organization so that they can provide maximum services to the community and contribute to the success of regional development. By having an entrepreneurial spirit, every ASN is also expected to be able to manage the budget well. Thus, the state's budget use can be used as well as possible. State civil apparatus who are close to the community are expected to have the concept of an entrepreneurial spirit first. The concept of entrepreneurship in public organization is very important to be included in the mindset of state administrative apparatus in order to change the orientation of public organizations to be more anticipatory, creative, innovative, and able to seize opportunities. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afif Rijal Azami. I want to explain what is the Smart ASN. In the Smart ASN, there are several indicators, one of which is nationalism. I want to explain what is nationalism. Nationalism is attitude of spirit that every Indonesian people must have in loving his homeland. But nationalism has a narrow and a large meaning. The first is narrow meaning. Feeling of nationalism or love for their nation are very high and excessive, so they look down on other nation. And the second meaning is a large sense, is feeling of high love or pride for the homeland and don't look down on the other nations. There are two goals of nationalism. First, assuring the will and strength to defend the national community against external enemies so as to give birth to a spirit of self-sacrifice. And two, eliminate extremism from citizen and then individual or group. And then many several applications of the behavior of nationalism. And the first, love nature by keeping the environment clean. Two, create harmony between the environment, ethnicity, and religion. And three, obey the law of the country. And four, always preserve culture with pride. And finally, trying to maintain domestic product. And then, this is explained about nationalism. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ariel Fahriani Bintan from Group 1, and I want to explain about networking, part of the Smart ASN indicators. One of the priorities of Indonesian Government Bureau reform is realizing world-class ASN competencies. The mandate of Law Number 5, 2014 concerning the ASN outlines that the implementation of policies and the management of ASN is carried out based on principles of professionalism, proportionality, accountability, as well as effective and efficient so that government performance can be achieved. To achieve this, the government through Kemenpan RB has launched the construction of Smart ASN. This is the foundation for improving the quality of public services, especially in the digital era and Industrial Revolution 4.0, making ISN ideal and competitive in the era of globalization is a public demand and a target must be achieved. The implementation of Smart ISN must be carried out in a structured manner so that Smart ISN can be realized, which has the characteristic of having global perspective, mastering information technology and language, having high networking abilities with proportional multitasking skills. Networking is a building and maintaining relationship with other people or organizations that have a positive effect on professional and personal success. Networking is one of the social skills that should be learned by each ISN to develop themselves in the agency and public. Practical networking skills are needed in building relationship between one party and another. This relationship is certainly important for the personal development of an ISN and institution where he or she works. Networking can be built within an institution or in public in general through various communities. One of the benefits of having broad connection is that more knowledge and information can be obtained to provide excellent public service. An example of the implementation of networking is collaboration with the Puskesmas to help free vaccination for COVID-19 and eradication of mosquito nests.